Hello everybody, we're here with a package that seems to have come from FAbfitfun, and this has not come for me. This has come for either my wife or my daughters, and I'm sure they'll be fighting over it, but I have no idea what's in here. Probably nothing that I would be interested in. I'm out here on a beautiful June day. It was 58 degrees early this morning at 6 o'clock. It's still nice and brisk for a June day, gorgeous day, and let's see what's in here. Now, they're not home because otherwise I wouldn't be opening this. They would have opened it already. So I've got permission to look inside. Highly doubt there's anything here I want. Ooh, how does this open? This is a neat box. Ooh, look at that. I should keep this for the trains. Let's see what this does now. I hope this doesn't. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh, I think I'm opening it up upside down, maybe? Yep. Of course, that's where the receipt is. Ah, FAbfitfun. All right. So let's see what's in here. Okay, so they got some pretty model on this cover. Keep this open here. What a beautiful box. Okay, so this glamour girl probably gives you tips on how to use this stuff in here. What's this? Ooh, a whole bunch of discount cards. Nothing for my hobbies though. Let's see what this. Ooh, it's look how neat. It's got this little tissue paper, a little foo-foo tissue paper to make it look very interesting. I don't want to. Let's see if I could open this up. I mean, they know I'm doing it, so I don't have to like sneak that I'm doing it. Now, what is this? Oh wow, some kind of bag, and it looks like it's made of, I don't know what, like reed or some kind of natural material, like a plant. It looks like something like the basket Moses would have been in. I wonder who wanted this, but I guess this is fashionable. It's got some kind of scarf-like thing in here. I don't know what that is. Oh, that's just to look pretty. My wife doesn't need anything to help her look pretty. Let's see what's down here. Silked satin pillow sleeve. I know that's not for me. Let's see what else is in here. Winky Lux. Same shade works for every brow. I wonder if this is good for detailing, you know, trains, weathering them. Probably not. Let's see what this is. Oh wow. Nice packaging. Goat milk. Moisturizing cream. You really think they made this from a goat? Oh, I wonder what's inside this box. I wonder if they'll get mad if I open it. But I'd like to see. Goat milk. Sounds like cheese product or something. And you could save even more if you spend more. They don't need that. Let's see. Oh, wow. Kate Somerville. Even the names sound good. Alright, we'll put this back. What else is in here? What in the world is this? Spongel, hand cream, Le Creme Main, coconut verbena. Who knows what that's for? It says shea butter, macadamia seed oil, infused. Well, this is something. What in the world is this? Isaac Mizrahi loves sienna. Don't know what this is. As beautiful as it is unique, this artfully designed vase brings a sense of feminine style to your creative space. Each vase is carefully hand dipped, making it an extraordinary special piece to put on display. Fill it with lush greenery or a fragrant bouquet and let your ideas bloom. Wow. I know they didn't get that for me. Oh, here's some other kind of bag. I love the color yellow. It's a pretty color. Now this is some kind of bag, but for what I'm not sure. It looks like a shoulder strap. Black and yellow. Sure to attract some hornets or yellow jackets. Come buzzing after you. Very pretty. FAbfitfun. I don't know if this is just you buy this box and everything comes in it, or if they decided to get these things. This looks like it cost me a fortune. Can't be too happy about that. Oh, there's another thing in here. What in the world is this? Minimal product waste. What is this? Oh, makeup drop. A makeup drop. Wow, so pretty. Well, I'm just gonna put it back. Even, I don't know, maybe I should try to recreate the packaging for them, since I'll get more bonus points if I can put this back in. So let's see, we're gonna put that back. This is not gonna be easy. Doing it with one hand. All right, we got that in. That was a hard part. Now, I think we should try to get this big thing in here. Okay, that fit. This vase scares me. I don't want to imagine I break this vase. That's all I need. Maybe it's not worth it. Of course, the vase doesn't want to go back in. Can't risk breaking the vase. Okay, that's in. This pencil. Can't lose their gift cards. And can't lose the instructions from the model. I don't want to crank that. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Oh, all right, now we're good. So we'll close up this box. And it is a pretty box, I have to say. And it's good enough for them to feel like they're opening it, even though they're going to see the video. Hey, thanks for watching.